What would happen if a skilled conductor were to lead an orchestra without considering the unique talents and roles of his musicians? This question may seem out of place when discussing project management, but it's a fitting analogy when considering the importance of stakeholder management in projects. Picture a project as an orchestra and the project manager as a conductor. There are various musicians, each with unique talents, roles, and interests. These musicians are the stakeholders in a project, the individuals, groups, or organizations that can affect or be affected by the project. Just as a conductor must coordinate and balance the orchestra to create harmonious music, a project manager must effectively manage stakeholders to ensure a successful project. Consider the case of the Sydney Opera House, a project that provides a vivid illustration of stakeholder management's significance. The project, initiated in the late 1950s, was envisioned as an iconic structure that would put Sydney on the global cultural map. A variety of stakeholders were involved: the government, the architect, the construction company, the public, and future opera-goers. However, the project faced numerous challenges, largely due to poor stakeholder management. The architect's ambitious design was not fully understood or supported by the government and construction company. This lack of alignment led to escalating costs, time overruns, and eventually, the architect's resignation. If stakeholder management had been prioritized, these issues could have been mitigated. By ensuring clear communication and alignment among all stakeholders, the project's goals could have been better understood, and the challenges could have been addressed more effectively. The process of stakeholder management involves several key steps: identifying stakeholders, understanding their interests and influence, developing a management strategy, engaging stakeholders through communication and collaboration, and continuously monitoring and adjusting the strategy. In the Sydney Opera House case, effective stakeholder management would have involved engaging the architect, government, and construction company in open dialogue about the project's vision and challenges. By understanding each stakeholder's interests and concerns, a strategy could have been developed to align these diverse perspectives towards a common goal. The importance of stakeholder management extends beyond this one case. In any project, effective stakeholder management can lead to better communication, improved decision-making, increased support and buy-in, and ultimately, a more successful project outcome. To recap, this video has highlighted the importance of stakeholder management in projects, using the Sydney Opera House as a case study. It has underscored that stakeholders are like the musicians in an orchestra, each with unique roles and interests that need to be managed effectively. The key steps in stakeholder management have been outlined, emphasizing the need for identification, understanding, strategy development, engagement, and continuous monitoring. Remember, just like a skilled conductor leading an orchestra to create harmonious music, a project manager must effectively manage stakeholders to ensure a successful project.